Peace. Welcome to my channel. No, I'm not a trader that turned $100 into $1 million. No, I'm not gonna give you some type of scheme to get rich quick. This is all real, man. All real trades, all real education, and all real strategies to help you become a better trader. I'm not here to sell a story. I'm here to tell y'all my experiences and what I went through in order to save you time, man. So my name's Era Hardaway. Y'all probably know me from music, battle rap, and things of that nature. But on this channel right here, we're gonna go through a different journey. The journey of options trading. I'm gonna give it to you all real, man. This is why it's called Juug The Market. What is a jug? A jug is essentially making something out of nothing. A jug is being on your grind. A jug is flipping your money up and hustling to get to where you need to go. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna show y'all how to jug the market. So we're gonna extract money from the market and take it in order for you to better your lifestyle and better your hustle and better whatever you got going on. We're gonna cover the wins and we're gonna cover the losses. And we're not gonna sugarcoat anything. We're not gonna hold nothing back. We're gonna keep everything real. You feel what I'm saying? So me personally, I've been options trading for about 20 years now, and I've learned a lot, gained a lot, I've lost a lot. But through all those experiences, I created this channel to help the next trader that's coming up after me save them time through the experiences that I learned and giving them knowledge so that way they could become a better and more sensible and profitable options trader in a shorter time than I could. So that's what this is here for, man. I'm gonna teach y'all the real, man. You feel me? Juug The Market. I'm glad y'all here with me. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, man. And let's get this bread. Peace.
Hey, this ain't lean, this espresso off in my cup, I'm sipping. I've been up, if I ain't got it, you know I'm on the way to go get it. Ain't gotta flex, ain't gotta talk, they know this shit is different. Whole lot of comments.